tell me, why is it so important to disinfect a comb, scissors, such like from one customer to the other?
It is not about the length or the breadth of the prayer. It is about the sincerity of the heart.
Boss lady, Mona Lisa, the prima donna herself.
Seriously? Prima donna? More like the undead. Or is it the dead and soulless?
Kid talk. Why can't you guys just be supportive of a sister's success?
Oh, so you tell me that is success, right?
Oh,
you
please,
call that
please,
You have another problem with Hey. My dear, money has gotten into debt hands, so it is high. Who should be stepping out of that car?
Tell me, girl.
So what are you still waiting for? You know what to do. Do what other girls do, okay?
Amaka. And what is that?
You don't know. Antina, why you my baby?
What's that?
You got to move your body.
That is
confuse people.
That is it.
Never over my dead body. Moa. Makagini. You want me care now?
I wake up for you. You can't complain.
Yo, girl. Hottest.
You look sexy.
Oh, yeah.
Hot.
Then I've achieved my aim. So who's the man?
Which man?
The one you're going to see, of course. Cassandra. Why do you have such a one-track mind? Everything has to be about a man. What else is there?
Please, make you shine your eye. Stop living in the dark ages. You need to get a life, Cassandra. Take control of your own destiny.
Exactly. I am going to an audition.
Audition?
Yeah. I hear the Dero guys are looking for new and exciting talents. And girls, I want to be a star.
You're already a star.
I beg your pardon?
I couldn't help overhearing you guys. You feel bro.
Nana Badankwa.
Aisha.
Achua. Cassandra.
I guess you guys must be new here, otherwise I would have noted.
How?
Because I have eye for quality.
Indeed.
Anyway, it's been a pleasure meeting you guys. You guys take good care of yourself. And I'm sure I'll meet you at the audition. Bye-bye.
How cocky.
He has confidence, all right.
Just my kind of man.
As if you have a preference.
What are you trying to say? No. What is the meaning? Your life philosophy. Anything goes as long as there is cash.
So to MTN airtime are very easy. You have to make sure you have sufficient money in your mobile money wallet. Then you go to the mobile money menu and select the top up airtime. You select the amount, then you enter and repeat the mobile number, the number you want to transact on. Then you enter and repeat your own number. You confirm the details and enter your mobile money PIN. Then after everything, you have a confirmation message. So what you say? Very easy.
Miss Odia, come and please. Can you send me 20 cartons of ideal milk?
I'm running short. Nko for ba shop abetoni na. Okay. Please do. Yes, 20 that. Yes. Okay. Bye. Hey, baby. Wow.
That was ravishing.
All for you. Tell me, how's tennis today?
Great. I feel like 10 years younger.
Really?
You need to come with me next week.
I will try.
That's what you always say. You've got to put in some exercise, you know.
Are you trying to say something here?
Babes, I'm being
Madam.
honest. It's true.
Madam. Sadia. Madam, all the MTN recharge cards are finished. Good morning, Brian.
Good morning, Sadia. How are you doing?
I'm fine, Brian.
You took after your mother. You look sprightly this morning.
Thank you. Sadia and Sai, wait. Yofi, I'll be with you soon.
Okay.
Sadia,
All right.
Ebi Wahonim, come with me. It's in the second drawer. Let me show you.
Bye. Babe, I need to use your MTN mobile money service. I nearly forgot. I have to send my mom money.
How much?
200 Ghana.
Hey, babe, say I'm fine. Who are you sending?
Come on, it's my mom. Your mother-in-law.
Come, I'll fix
Look
you.
at you.
My brother, Papa, baby, I think okay now. I need to come with you next week.
You see? This is what I've been saying.
Hey, Mr. Ite. We didn't be who watch it.
Mesha ho. Let us say.
Boko. Pacho, me ba me send the MTN mobile money.
Kachi chambie.
Oh, yeah.
Let us say.
Boko, now say. Then you say.
Na MTN mobile money service. Let us say.
Oh, Mr. Ite. I say MTN mobile money service. They muda ho.
Sir.
It's safe and convenient. Wait a minute, sir. Oh, my mean save me well.
Mami bo me na ko.
All right. Hey, Mr. Ite, wait there. What a surprise. Okay, babe, send to say, how much should I send to?
200 Ghana.
Okay,
To your mother-in-law.
Matse.
Who did become crop or something? Oh, mommy, the mother-in-law.
Let her take this for the meantime. That's it. Okay, let me just send it
To your in-law.
Yeah. It's safe and convenient.
Oh, you're done with it already? That is easy.
Hey, you're great.
Hello, Grace. I like your outfit.
Eh? Grace, why? I don't know what dresses are. Why are you going for a parade?
Oh, Sremi, yes, sir. If you knew what I know, you would not be laughing. Oh, Sremi. And what is that? Why MTN?
You've not heard, eh? I'm an MTN mobile money merchant.
Hey!
Oh, they won't tell you about their joy. Corridina, me baby, and you didn't come out.
When you put your head, you don't need the ever. Can't tell who rindy.
Oh, what is wrong with that woman? Is she correct?
Oh!
No, come on. She hardly acknowledged me when I said hi.
But don't mind Grace. She's like that. But why am I done for? She's too combative.
Actually, I don't envy her husband at all.
so Grace, you say, well, you let me go and attend to her. I'll come and see you. All right, baby.
Hey! Fast.
Hello, Mom.
Yofi, Mesaka.
Oh, okay, you got it.
You fast. Eh? Oh, me da sinya bin shraw. Be ma fefe. Me kwa me doba. Be ma wati koso oba bi anim.
Okay. All right, okay. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye, Mom.
How do I look?
Nice on you. It's even nicer on you than her.
Yofi.
Trust me.
Hey, I hope she didn't hear this.
No, it's true. Trust me.
Auntie Grace say I won't bet you.
Money transfer from merchant to mobile money wallet. 1. Grab a valid photo ID and go to a mobile money authorized merchant. 2. Hand over cash to the merchant.
So tell me, what's the plan for the day? What's the plan?
2 main things. First one is to go to the audition I told you about.
MTN for the Nyamabo. MTN, the
Are you serious about it?
Yeah, I'm going. I mean, I feel it in my bone that I can act.
I know you can make it. Listen, there's something about you. You are natural. Go for it, baby.
Are you cool with it?
Listen, take this from me. Anything that you do in this world that makes you happy, know that I'm so in for you.
Look at you. Thank you. Aren't you sweet?
Yeah.
Look at you. Come here.
Wow, Jimmy, Jimmy. Ah, Bema who be happy talk.
So what's the next one?
Well, that's the more important one, which is I'm taking you out to check on your guests.
To my new car?
No.
My new apartment?
No.
Babes, what?
Guests.
What?
Okay. I'm taking you out to check on your wedding gown. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh yes, that's it.
You're so thoughtful. You are kind, baby. You make my day. Everything about you, it's so sweet. I feel like a queen.
You are a queen, my dear. My African queen. And I love you.
I love you too. I do.
Come here. Give me one.
Gracie. Hey.
Hey. Nature Fatawu.
That's a minimum measure black car. Where
the cowgirl, pa.
Are you alright?
Am I alright? I should be asking you that.
Why?
She. Huh? Is he gone?
Who?
Your fear, of course.
Grace, listen. You are my friend. Today should be the very last time you disrespect my fiancé. For Christ's sake, do you know we're getting married next month?
You manu bokiti. I think I'll leave and not tell you why I came.
Yes, you would leave if you continue to insult my Yofi.
Abiba, I'll leave, oh, if you continue to play this last track fool.
What are you talking about?
I thought you said I couldn't talk about your precious Yofi.
Yes.
So, can I talk now?
Grace, I'm listening. So all this huffing and puffing is because you saw Yofi talking to some girls?
Hey, Abiba, you don't know what I saw. You should have seen what they were wearing.
What is the logic in this?
Okay, Abiba. So, why were they dancing after he left?
Grace. Can't you madam for punk? I made do here. It will be no business. Master Jai Kasa. Asakeke. Oh.
Hey!
Hey, Mr. Amiguma Warrior. Next month here, Mbeguma Warrior. So what's it?
Sorry. Look, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Please. Please.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Sir, please, can I help you?
Oh, yes, you can. Wow. You have everything that I'm looking for. Wow. Hey, can we please go inside?
Huh?
Oh, yes. Let's get inside.
Okay.
This is the... Oh, yes. This is good. Yes, I did, okay.
Oh, sir.
Sorry. You have
I don't know how many.
Oh, give me 6. Why don't you add another 6? 6 will do.
Sir, please.
Sorry, please. And then why don't you add Milo, 1 Milo, please? 1, yes. Okay. Yeah, please give me soup. Yes, soup.
But sir, you're completely out of line.
Oh, you did this small thing.
Is there anything else you wanted to buy? Or else you can pay for this and leave.
Look, tell me you are joking. Come on.
Do you want me to call my madam on you or the police?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Look, you are a top girl, eh? All right. How much is everything?
Hold it. I'm coming.
No, please. How much is everything?
Everything is 70 cedis.
All right. Smile. No problem. Okay. This is 100 Ghana cedis. You can keep the change, okay? Now tell me, what is a nice girl like you doing here? Look, I can change your life just like that. I can do that.
Please, excuse me, sir, your change.
Oh, you can keep the change, okay? Why, you don't want my money?
Is there anything else you want?
Look, I understand. Okay, look, this is my card. Give me a... Yes.
It's everything all right?
No, yes, everything is excellent. Look, good customer service. God, it's excellent. Everything is good. Sorry, let me take it. Okay, no! I'll be back.
What was all that about?
Sadia, madam, he was trying to make advances.
And you didn't call me?
Madam, I thought I could handle it. I put him in his right.
That's my girl.
Yes.
Hey, sorry, I've been crazy.
What's the mommy foul night?
Oh, what are you crying? As I was saying, all men are like dogs.
See, don't talk like that. Why would you say that? Not all men are like that. We are real decent men. In fact, some are real gentlemen.
Yo, me, I've done my duty. I have warned you. Hey, but watch him carefully. Watch him. But if you insist on being blind, it's your own choice.
And where are you going?
Well, and what do you care? I thought you said I should leave. Abiba, me, I'm a good friend. When I have information, I share, unlike others.
What do you mean? Grace, what do you mean?
So when were you going to tell me about this? You know it's perfect for sending the kids money at school.
I became an MTN mobile money merchant just last week. Oba had chill.
Anyway, I found out myself. I'll come and register when I come back. Am I your mother? Me na me wo. Any asem crane. You think I'm old, Ama? You see.
fill it.
Okay. Can you show me to your washroom?
Okay, please go straight and go to your left. Yay!
Yo.
That woman was really interesting.
I wonder where she's coming from.
So, don't see that.
Baby, what from sit down? Say me, go baby.
Tina, just sit down.
No, I don't want to sit down.
Hey, Abiba, what I'm come to tell you is serious. So, okay, me my way and my way. Sorry, yeah, me too, Sama. Take it, drink it.
Are you okay?
Hey,
Face you on.
Abiba,
Have you ever seen me drink alcohol?
Abiba, you need this. Look, boy, you need to go when you swore. The air banner.
Grace, if you don't want to talk, tell me and let me go.
Yo. No, my giant. Okay. A bone, okay? The bone, ever.
Oh, Grace.
Me see some, yeah. And you're too far.